In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send email to subscribers in Shopify. We'll walk through the full process together, from finding the right app to choosing a template, customizing your content, and finally scheduling your email to go out to your subscribers. By the end, you'll be able to confidently send a professional email campaign straight from your Shopify admin. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. At the very top of the page, look for the search bar. Click on that search bar, and from the drop-down that appears, click on Apps. In the search field, type Messaging and press Enter on your keyboard. This will open the Shopify App Store. From the search results, look for the app called Shopify Messaging. Go ahead and install it, and follow all of the installation prompts on screen. Once the installation is complete, you'll be taken to the Shopify Messaging dashboard. Here, look toward the top right corner and click the button labeled Create Campaign. Next, you'll see a page with a variety of email templates you can use. These templates are designed to save you time and keep your branding consistent. On the left side of the screen, there's a filter section you can use to narrow down templates by purpose, like promotions, newsletters, or announcements. Take a moment to scroll through and pick a template that matches the goal of your email. When you've found one you like, click on it. A pop-up will appear showing a larger preview of the template, so you can double-check that it fits your needs. If you're happy with it, click Select in the pop-up. This will open the email editor. At the top or in the Details section, look for the field labeled Select Segment. Click the drop-down and choose who you want to receive this email. You can send it to all subscribers or limit it to just email subscribers, depending on how you've set up your audience. Choosing the right segment is important because it controls exactly who will see your message. Now you can edit the other details of your email, update the subject line to something clear and compelling, and adjust the preview text so it gives a helpful summary of what's inside the email. To customize the actual content, click on any element in the email preview, such as images or text blocks. When you click an element, editing and styling options will appear in the left sidebar, allowing you to change text, colors, fonts, and layout so everything matches your brand. Once you're satisfied with your email, go to the top right and click Review. This review screen shows you exactly what your subscribers will receive, so take a moment to check spelling, links, and overall layout. If everything looks good, click. Schedule Send at the top right. A pop-up will appear with options for when to send your email. You can send it now, schedule it for tomorrow, or choose a custom date and time. Pick the option that works best for your campaign strategy, then click Schedule or Send at the bottom right to confirm. Your email campaign is now set up and will go out to your selected subscribers at the time you chose.